Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all doing? How have you started your day? For me, today is my day off, my weekly off, and I have made some nice breakfast for myself. Come and join me. This is eggs and veg. Fried eggs are my favorite. Let me finish my breakfast, change into nice clothes, and then I want to show you my gifts today. Please stay tuned till the end. So, thank you for waiting. I have finished my breakfast, I had a bath, and I'm nice and fresh now. So, like we had spoken about it earlier, I'm going to show you my gifts, what I got for Christmas. I know it's very late, but we are still in January. The year is still brand new, so I don't think I am late. If I am late, please mention it in the comment section. So here are the gifts that I got. I have put it all in this big bag. I got one of the gifts in this bag, so I said I might as well put everything in this bag. So here's everything. Here's the treasure. Here are all my gifts. So I'm going to begin with the first gift. Oops! I'm going to begin with the first gift. This is from my closest friend, my nearest friend, my most beloved friend. All are my good friends, but this friend is somewhat special to me. So if you're watching, thank you so much. They are two sisters, that is Natalie and Katharina. So they made this beautiful portrait, this beautiful picture frame for me. They drew it. They are from Russia. So what I understand from this picture is the snow of Russia, that is during the winters. This is how it looks like in December. These are the pine trees. This is a beautiful moon, and I like this picture so much. It's so beautiful. I keep it near my bedside now, and as soon as I wake up, or it's always there besides me, I always look at it. I don't know if you can see the glitter, but there is a lot of glitter on the picture, and it's beautiful. I like it so much. Thank you so much, Katerina and Natalie. Thank you for this beautiful gift. To mention in Italian, Farah, that is from, as I understand, and Natalie and Kathy. 2021. Thank you so much. I love this gift so much. Thank you, my dear friends. They also gave me this beautiful red nail polish. This is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's from the same brand. It's called Kiko Milano. I think it's an Italian brand. Kiko Milano. Here. This is how it looks like. And this color is beautiful. It's nice and light red. It's not the bloody red. It has a nice color. It's very light red and it's beautiful. I'm going to try it out for you, show you the color. This is how the red looks like. It's beautiful. This is Kiko Milano. The second gift I got is from my colleague that is working with me. We are working all together. We had Secret Santa, that is gift sharing, and her name is also Diana, by the way. She's from Indonesia. Diana, if you're watching, thank you so much for the gift. I like the bag so much. It's so beautiful. I always wanted to have a brown bag in this color that I can carry around to work or to go out to the mall or anywhere. I always wanted this kind of a color. It's nice. It comes with 2 compartments inside. It has also here a mini storage section. where you can put your mobile or if you have any coins, something like that. And here, this one, as always, this is for the mobile. It's a very nice bag. It's nice color. The most favorite is this golden chain strap that they have made, and I like the color. The color is so beautiful. I like this bag. So thank you again, Dinah, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much. And then the other gift I got is from my friend. She's from Belarusia. Her name is Lana, and she gave me this gift, hot water bag. Whenever you have back pain, menstrual pain, it's nice for ladies, especially for ladies, or anybody can use it. So this is how the water bag looks like. It says say and if you turn it, it says yes. It's very nice. Here, this is how you will open it, and you're going to put water, and anytime you can just use it if you're traveling, if you have pain in the back, if you have abdominal pain. This is so handy. This is a must have for any lady. I know why I'm saying ladies, because we have a lot of pain, cramps, we deal with a lot of pains. So this is something that is very necessary for every lady to have. It's very smooth if you keep it on your back also without any clothes, your bare back also. It's nice and fuzzy here. The soft vinyl is a nice texture. So it's beautiful. I like it so much. It says say yes. Thank you so much, Lana. Thank you for the gift. And the next gift that I have is, this is a beautiful bag that I got. This is from one of my friends. She's from the church. She gave me this bag. It's so beautiful. I like this bag so much. It's nice and colorful. It's a nice small little bag that you can just take around. It's like more like a sling bag. So I like this bag a lot. And it has one compartment. Wow, it has a lot of sections. This is the second compartment. Ooh. And this is the third one. My god, you can store a lot of things in this bag. So it has in total 1, 2, 3 compartments, and as you go inside there is one more here, so 4. Then there is also a secret pocket here inside, so 5. In total 5 sections where you can store your things. Small little bag but a lot of space. You can put a lot of your things. It's nice when you're traveling, if you have your mobile, if you have your money, if you have your cards, if you have, of course, water bottle will not fit. No, water bottle will not fit, but most of your essentials will go in this bag. So thank you so much for this bag. And I got a lot of chocolates. I've eaten the chocolates. I have few more chocolates there, but they're already out of the wrapper and I've been eating them every day. So how is everybody doing? How is your new year begun? What's new? What's cooking? What's happening? What about the vaccination? Have you been vaccinated? I have been vaccinated. The company that I am working with in, so all of the staff, we have been vaccinated. It's a Chinese vaccine. It's called Sinopharm. I'm going to make a video. The first dose was given to us. The next dose will be in another 2 weeks or so, which was when I had taken the dose. So I'm waiting for the next dose. Maybe by next week we'll get the next dose. And when I complete the whole process of this vaccination, I'm going to make a video of my experience and how I felt, what side effects I have faced. So please stay tuned for that video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. My name is Diana. You're welcome. I make videos every week. I'm from India but living in UAE. So I show you about my life, about the food, about the culture, a lot about the things that we do here on a regular basis. So please stay tuned. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And most importantly, do not forget, continue spreading the love.